Range Rover Autobiography, £115,000 this car was new. £62,990. It's a 4.4, so it's the SD V8, the V8 diesel. Yulong white, which to be fair, this is the first ever Range Rover Autobiography, Vogue, new model I think I've done in white. So it's quite a unique car. It's an autobiography, so it's the top of the tree. Unbelievable spec. That huge grille, adaptive LED lights. The autobiography gives you everything. 21-inch diamond cut wheels. Now this car, like I said, £115,000, so the extras are just phenomenal. And when I get in the car and show you, one of the big ones, deployable side steps, they're a £3,000 option. But let me just show you just the attention to detail on the car. So the lights, like I said, not just standard headlights, they're adaptive LED automatic lights. The wheels, they are the 21-inch. Now, for me, and I've said this in the past, 21-inch wheels on a Vogue are the correct wheels. The car performs right, drives right. The suspension, the way the car goes, it all just works. Now, they're diamond cut, so they're silver polished, and they've got grey inserts and centered there. The Atlas vents have all been colour-coded, so you've got the Atlas vents, which are all white. Privacy glass. It's got a sliding panoramic roof. And it's the brand new model. It's the new shape. It's the latest shape. It's a 2018. So it's a new shape. So we've got these new LED lights, the brand new interior. The spec is phenomenal. It's all keyless. And then you start to see the differences what you get with the autobiography. So you can just see you've got all your ambient lighting. We're looking at the seats here. Now these seats are heated, cooled, and massaged as well. So that, you know, there's luxury in itself. The roof lining, just look at the difference. This beautiful Alcantara roof lining. The leather seats inside just feel soft and comfortable. You get a lot more options on the seats. You see that little button there for the lumbar support. Heated steering wheel. And that, I've just pressed the button there, that's turned on the massage seats. They actually work off this function as well. I mentioned the sliding roof, but Vogues, I cannot tell you how much a V8 diesel Vogue, how well they drive. It just purrs through the gears. It's comfortable. It's got power. It's got luxury. It's just a fantastic engine, and for me, it's the best engine, that diesel engine that Land Rover ever produced. The ambient lighting throughout the car, you can see it all in the bottom of the door cards there. Cameras, you've got not just a reverse, you've got top view, you've got surround camera. You've got 3 different surround sound systems. We go into seats. So in the front here, you can see you've got heated and cooled. Press that button there. Go to rear. And even your rear seats are cooled and heated. That's a great feature, great option. All your timed climate, in-control apps, Apple CarPlay, all the things you would expect. You've got a cooling fridge in the centre. It's it's fabulous, fabulous car. And I think it's value for money. You know, like I said at the start, £115,000 this car was new. Look at the back. Memory seats for your rear passengers. Now that is unbelievable. So, you know, if you're traveling and you like your seat position how you want it, you can actually set it on the door so no one else can jump in and change it. Now I think that's quite cool. All your different adjustments for the blinds. It's just, yeah, rear heated and cooled seats, rear climate control. Split folding electric tailgate, all rear adjustable seats as well, so if you want to drop them seats, they all can work off here, so you don't have to manually do anything at all. And I think the colour is rare, and I said that at the start, Yulong white. It's not just your everyday white, it's a beautiful pearl colour, which is a stunning paint colour, and you see it's got the silver round the door handles, which I think works lovely with the wheels. Now the roof's open, you've got all your, if you look there, you've got your sensors and everything, your blind spot monitor and assist, all the things you would expect. But that's a V8 Vogue, £115,000 new, 62,990, what a car.